Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to change your username on Walgreens. To change your username on Walgreens, first of all, launch open a web browser and then type in walgreens.com and search. Also make sure that you are logged into your account like you normally do. Now, click on your profile avatar or the icon at the top right, and in the expanded menu, click on your account. Inside your account, mouse over to Profile and then click on Sign in and Security. Click on Username and Password option under Sign in and Security tab. In the username text box, go ahead and enter your new username in the username text box. While entering your username, make sure to enter an email address that will be used for all future communications from Walgreens. After typing down an email, click on Save Changes, and then you will be able to change your username on Walgreens. So that is it. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more tutorials from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.